I was doing like
nothing, was just in bed.
oh yeah. So wasn't I with you last night?
What is up, TNS family? Today we're just doing a deep clean of our house. It's one of those days we just need to get the house clean before Australia Day tomorrow. We still don't know what we're doing for tomorrow, so we thought get the house clean and then we wouldn't need to worry about this. Anyways, don't mind my ugly. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. But we got this. Got black cat. We got baby here. My sweet pea is actually sleeping right now. Guys, don't mind how messy my room is, but he's sleeping. He was sleeping in his bed. And then he was crying. He was actually sleeping on he was sleeping in his own bed, but then he cried. I think he just likes feeling me near him. Anyways, we're airing out the couches. It's on top of a carpet. I don't know why he stacked it like that.
I don't know if it's an island thing, but a lot of islanders like to fly air their stuff. I don't know, because apparently it gets like all this or...
No, because your stinky ass sits on the chair.
However you say ooh in English, that's what they do.
B-O.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, we're gonna get cleaning and we'll be back. So right now I'm taking a break. We just finished cleaning all of our walls, literally wiped them all down because they really needed a good wipe down. I'm gonna show you after our clean house after. Anyways, I had to have a break because my son woke up. Look at his feet, he's so cute. I've got socks on his hands because we're not trying to scratch up your cute ass face. But look at this little, oh, he looks so cute even when he's crying. Anyways, I'm gonna quickly feed him and then I will give you the house tour of the cleaned house. Look, here we go. This guy not doing the fit hours but weighing himself. Yeah, show everyone your numbers. I finally changed. I had a shower. I had to wash my hair. Like, I was literally sweating from the deep cleaning of our house. But I thought this would be cool to just give you a quick little house tour since we have moved and these guys haven't seen where we live now. So okay, so Tuxx literally just finished work. How was work?
Yeah, it's hot.
It was so hot.
So hot, man.
So hot. Anyways, give us a little house tour of your house.
Yeah, sure. So yeah, this is the hallway. Nice big long hallway. And this is our front, what do you call this?
Front sitting room, lounge.
Front lounge. So
listen, we don't have it all set out. That stuff we still need to go through because
figure it out still.
Yep, still gotta figure that out. Shout out, mum. Yep, that's the front living room.
Okay, we're going left into the master bedroom. Boom!
Boom.
Got the stairs.
Oh wow. Bro, why am I laughing so hard? Relax, Sarah.
Funny, bro. This is our bathroom.
The bathroom.
Very simple.
Yep, so this is the master room.
And here is our garage.
Garage.
We just put our rubber tiles down, got our stuff set up. Most importantly, I think I'm trying to put it like this.
Oh my gosh, doing the most. Wait, what happened to your thingy-majiggy? That.
So, this is why you gotta sign a waiver. Let people borrow your stuff.
Nah, just simple to the bill.
Yep, so real quickly, we come in here, linen cupboard, linen stuff. Our DJ that's in the room, this is the speaker. Pantry, Gotta do our shopping.
Yeah, we're really light at the moment. We weren't prepared for this house tour. Fridge. Oh, I found this and I put it up. It's of me and my cousin at my cousin's thingy-majiggy wedding.
And here is our lounge. They just moved around the lounge. It was like sit up over there. And now it's like an angle. And put a baby here.
Okay guys, we literally had to switch over to my phone because the camera died. But
yeah, so this is Chris's room.
this is Chris's room. Okay, so this is Chris's room. She's got a TV. She's got a mirror there. Plus a mirror here. And she's behind the door. This is Jason's room. Listen, we'll let him sleep. We'll let him sleep.
Nice big bathroom.
Nice big bathroom for Chris and Jace.
This right here, this is really big damage.
Yeah. Single toilet, but there's a toilet in the bathroom. This is our spare bedroom, but we're not using it at the moment. So I've made it into a little office where I could edit my vlogs. My brother's coming over tomorrow, so he will be. I gotta do the bed up. Yes. Welcome to our house. Okay, so now we are gonna head off to Julie's house. We're gonna go and have some tacos there. Since baby's awake, I wasn't gonna take him because he was sleeping, but he's awake now. So I'm gonna take him. Do you wanna come or do you wanna stay with your dad? Do you wanna come or stay with your dad? Oh, okay. Okay guys, so baby's sleeping. Lanston.
And look my phone.
Okay, whoa, to show. Okay, where's your abs? No abs. You got no abs. Julie's in the kitchen just making us dinner. Day, say hello. Bro, I'm a little bit red. Just finished putting baby down, but Julie made us tacos with some butter chicken and rice. Thanks, Julie. And Chris, just having dinner. Us girls, Bote finishes, what time? 7:30. Okay.
Yeah, mommy here.
Oh. This is here, baby. Yeah, drink it.
Your mom won't finish it. That's right. The flour needs to be cooked on. What do you have to do?
That is yum.
Cause I'm allowed, yeah.
The next day.
So I didn't get to end the vlog yesterday, and so I thought I'll roll over this vlog into Australia Day. So happy Australia Day, TNS family. Today we have my brother who is down from Brisbane, who is currently here for work, but he has been here for I think 3 weeks. This week is 3 weeks. He's been in Melbourne. He's currently working up in Traralgon, and today's his only day off, so he came down. I think he'll be sleeping here, and then my brother will drop him back off tomorrow. So Tuxx is just doing the Barbie right now. He has the smoke going on over there. Can you guys see it? Tuxx. My brother's right there. We were actually meant to do something with Julie and the kids, and Julie, Bote and the kids, but we were younger. We just did not have any plans today. We were trying to go with the flow, but the flow ended up being too late. So they've gone to do something.
Don't give my love to nobody.
Nah. All big weekend for family.
Wait, listen, I got a question, yeah? Like, if you were to call one person right now and they had to pick up, do you think they'll lie for you? One person, do you think they're gonna lie for you?
Well, doesn't have a phone.
Yeah, but I know who I'll call though if I had a phone.
No, but wait, but you have to call tonight. Like, if you can call one person in your
Lifeline.
contact list, he's your lifeline. Like, the bad guy's got the gun to your head, and they're like to you, put the gun to my head.
Summer.
The gun's to my head, and they're saying to you,
Or someone, and if they don't lie for you, you're getting shot.
who are you calling?
Wow. That means I'm dead.
Say you're on the road, like the cops are like, where were you last night? Do you have an alibi? Can you call Sia? And Sia's gonna lie for you instantly. She's gonna, should we test it out?
I honestly think my wife is not that kind of person. Honestly, I'm gonna die for it.
What about you?
That's my guy that I rely on.
He's right hand, your right hand man?
My right hand man doesn't have a phone.
Wait, I got someone I could call, and I'll call them and see if they'll lie for me. Well,
But you can't laugh.
I won't laugh.
Because I don't know.
Yeah, wait.
Gary.
Oh, actually, I do actually.
Go.
Two of
Wait,
my people
Who
actually
for?
like me.
Oh, wait. What action?
Say, wasn't I with you last night? And they'll be like,
Say the cops. No, say the cops.
Suppose.
Hey, I was doing like,
Nothing, I was just in bed.
oh yeah. So it wasn't I with you last night?
Last night?
Yeah, wasn't I with you last night? Do you remember where did we go last night?
Do you know your phone?
Niggy,
Yo.
remember where were we last night? We were at thing.
Last night?
Yeah, we're at mum. Yeah, that was us, eh? Oh yeah, sick you. Thanks, brother.
Oh my gosh, he lied.
He's not even in Brisbane. I'm gonna call this person and I'm gonna see if she's gonna lie, but hold on.
And you are calling isn't Sera, Tanuvasa, Simpson.
Yeah, sis.
Yo.
What's it called? You're on speaker and I'm with Tuxx. Wasn't I with you last night?
Yeah, why?
Yeah, because I was telling him that me and you went to Macca's, and what Macca's did we go to?
Epping.
Yeah, honey, I told you, we went Epping. I was with her at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I came back and you were sleeping. Okay, I'll call you later, sis.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Bible was a lie. It was Bible.
You do that to my brother-in-law, man.
That's how you know.
That was so funny. Like, honestly, I can't believe these people have our backs though. They really do have our backs. We're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join the family. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and we will see you soon. Let's go.